Honestly, there's no better way to illustrate a product and its features than with a good comparison table. Because if you're an affiliate marketer, your goal should be to lead the customers to the best options and click the buy button faster. And in this video, I'm here to help you create one using azonpress. So you can display your Amazon products beautifully on your WordPress site. So let's dive in and start building the table. Go to your WordPress dashboard, followed by azonpress from the sidebar. Click on comparison tables from the top, then hit the add new comparison table button. Now give your table a title. After that, search for the products with keywords or designated ASIN numbers. Now select the products you want to compare. Then click on create table. And here are your selected products. If you want to add more, just click add product. It's easy as that. So let's update the settings and preview it. And here's our product comparison table. Now let's do some customization to give this table an attractive look and make the presentation better. Well, you can customize the table title and description and choose whether you want them visible on the front end or not. Customize comparison rows according to your needs. You can edit the comparison row text and row type from the drop-down menu. Also hide any row if you want. Rearrange comparison rows and even delete some if needed. You can also overwrite your selected product info as well. Set some custom reviews and features for your products effortlessly. Now, under Show More options, you will find some cool stuff. You can set feature text, primary color, and secondary color for a specific product you want to highlight. Let's update the settings and take a quick preview to see the difference. Looks good, right? In the same way, you can highlight more products if you want. Anyway, to go the extra mile, you can even add custom CSS to style your table just the way you like it. And under the Settings tab, jump into Appearance Settings. This is where you can style your buttons to match your site's design. Now update the settings you have made, and that's it. Your comparison table is ready to go. azonpress makes it easy to create a table that actually looks good and helps you convert better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you'll never miss our next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.